Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to enable quiet mode for videos on Facebook using your PC. This feature is perfect for reducing distractions and managing your time on the platform. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look towards the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's main settings page. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, find and click on Media. This section contains all the settings related to how Facebook handles videos and other media. Once you're in the media settings, look for an option labeled Quiet Mode. Toggle it on to activate Quiet Mode. This feature will help mute unnecessary notifications and reduce interruptions while you browse. And that's it. You've successfully enabled quiet mode for videos on Facebook using your PC. Enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience without distractions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching.